excess amount of sugar is not good for skin. But when taken in excess amount, it spikes the insulin. Inflammation happens. Our body tries to take care of it because what you eat is what you are. So sugar is not just chini. Sugar is not sugar. Sugar is starch. Like if you really get into details, we eat a very high glycemic load food. बैरियर नहीं होगा स्किन का. बैरियर रिपेयर कितना भी मॉइस्चराइजर लगाओगे वो रिपेयर नहीं हो पाएगा. अगर आप शुगर खाते रहोगे तो आपकी बॉडी में इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ेगा. कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट चाहे वो नेचुरली हो जिसमें प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं है, केमिकल्स नहीं है, बिल्कुल नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है, वो भी इरिटेट कर देगा क्योंकि बैरियर नहीं बना.
Hello and welcome back to Inside Your Skin podcast, and today we are talking about something that is part of our daily lives, sugar, and not in cut crabs kind of a way, but how sugar spike can actually damage your skin. To help us decode this, we have someone who actually understands your skin not only from the outside but from the inside as well. So welcome Senior Dermatologist Dr. Meghna Gupta.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for this introduction. I am more than excited to share my insights about this underrated topic, which is sugar and skin.
So जैसे कि we were discussing before the podcast, like how sugar level actually spikes a lot of things inside our body. So if you could just, start from the core and make us understand what really happens when sugar level spikes and how does it actually reflect onto our skin.
See, sugar is a good molecule. It's carbohydrate, which gives you instant energy. But when taken in excess amount, it spikes the insulin. And insulin is the main hormone for carbohydrate metabolism. And when insulin spike happens, inflammation happens. Our body tries to take care of it. Usually in skin, what we will see, dull skin, puffiness, acne, pimples, which normally some kind of congestion and a very dull skin, So we'll get into more details of it. But yes, excess amount of sugar is not good for skin.
So basically what I can understand, like sugar is actually causing chaos underneath our skin even before we see the pimples or or let's say the dullness that surfaces.
See, to see a real effect of anything is not immediate. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अभी sugar खाया तो अभी acne निकल आएगा. But yes, when there's a build-up which is happening over a period of time, skin will bear the brunt. I firmly believe what you eat is what you are. Okay, no matter how great skincare regime you may be following, पर अगर आप अपने health wise अपने food की तरफ ध्यान नहीं देंगे, तो you will not see good results. So sugar is not just chini. Sugar is not sugar. Sugar is starch, which is coming from various food sources. And with this advent of this packaged food, preservatives put in the food, there's too much coming from your drinks, all your chips, your various kinds. So now even in the name of health food, sometimes there's enough starch and sugar there. So with sugar, I don't mean chini. I don't mean that. I mean entire simple carbohydrate load on the system.
So it's not just the sweets, right? Like even things like bread, packaged food, or let's say cola can also have an impact.
We call it refined flour and refined sugar. Simple language, maida or chini, when taken in quantities which are beyond limit, will cause. And people don't realize, when you take a diet history from normal healthy individuals in India, they will say, yeah, I had poha for breakfast, I had dal chawal aloo for lunch, हाँ मैंने ऑफिस में 2 कप चाय के साथ 2 बिस्किट खा लिए थे, फिर मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ बाहर गया, मैंने एक चिप्स और कोक ले लिया था, फिर रात को मैंने खाने के बाद 2 लड्डू खा लिए थे, एक चॉकलेट. Like if you really get into details, we eat a very high glycemic load food. It's not about one meal. It's about the load of the entire day. So सबको अपने अंदर झांक के देखना है कि वो कितनी क्वांटिटी है, कितनी मात्रा में. Sugar doesn't mean चीनी, overall starch intake ले रहे हैं.
So doctor, as you mentioned starch, so I would also want you to make us understand, or let's say help us understand how starch can have an impact. Like how is that related to, let's say the sugar spike, or let's say the skin issues that we are having. What are the repercussions of including starch in our diet on a higher amount?
Yes, absolutely. There's something called insulin resistance. When you take so much starch, your body is making insulin, but it's not working. Signs of insulin resistance on skin are pigmentation. You will see a lot of people having pigmentation like this in C shape, or on the neck, or in underarms, or on faces, few patches, even under eyes sometimes, okay? Then acne. Acne is a very broad term, but various kinds of pimples, eruptions, we see that. Boils, जिनको लोग बोलते हैं heat boils, lot of time boils will come on different parts of the body. Of course, humidity adds to it, but this all leading to sugar, which is insulin resistance. And last but not the least is skin tags, massa. बहुतों को होता है, गले पे, गर्दन में निकलेगा, अंडर आर्म में निकलेगा. These are all markers of insulin resistance. That means you need to go inside and check what you're really eating.
So we've been talking about sugar spikes and starch. So अभी हम स्किन केयर की भी बात कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जो डैमेज हमारे स्किन को शुगर स्पाइक से हो रही है या हमारे डाइटरी हैबिट से हो रही है जिसमें हम स्टार्च की इंटेक बहुत ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, कैन स्किन केयर एक्चुअली हेल्प अस कंट्रोल दैट डैमेज और लेट्स से रिपेयर आवर स्किन इन अ लॉन्ग टर्म बेसिस?
See, of course, both play a role. Skincare is equally important. In fact, more important. Food, yes, we're done. You're eating right. It's not that people who eat, there are many people who eat right. That doesn't mean they don't get skin issues. There's no guarantee. Yes, that's one aspect, but skincare is equally important. Skin is the largest organ of the body. It reflects your well-being. If you're not going to look after it, you're actually ignoring something important in your life. So skincare is as important as any fitness or health or other regimes people follow.
So, Doc, with your conversation, what I understand that you are really emphasizing on the fact that skincare and the dietary habits that we have, they actually both go hand in hand, right?
Yes, totally agree. You cannot ignore anything. दोनों का ध्यान रखना है, ठीक खाना है और स्किन की भी केयर करनी है अच्छे से. They have to be done together. You can't say कि मैं पहले एक गोल अचीव कर लूँ फिर दूसरा गोल. Whatever age group you belong to, ranging from teenage years, where 13-year-olds, where they start getting puberty, उनके skin में changes आ रहे हैं, to till the time you are 70 or 80 plus, it's food plus your skincare which both matter and they go hand in hand. I totally agree on this, Vaishali.
और शायद यही रीजन है that at LAPINK also we emphasize on the fact where we keep reminding our users that what you apply on your skin matters, but what you digest, that actually matters more.
Very well said. I really like this line. What you digest, of course, matters more, but what you apply is equally important. So take care of both the things.
So the age that we are living at, the kind of dietary habits that we have. So do you really think कि जो sugar rich diet हम कर रहे हैं उसकी वजह से जो न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिकेसी है एक ह्यूमन बॉडी में वो बढ़ गई है या वो बढ़ सकती है?
वैष्णवी, आपने बहुत अच्छा एक पॉइंट उठाया. ऑफ कोर्स जब आप फूड में ज्यादा शुगर ले रहे हो, उससे पेट भर रहे हो, तो आप बहुत न्यूट्रिएंट डेंस फूड नहीं खाओगे. द वर्ड इज न्यूट्रिएंट डेंस. तो जब आप शुगर ही शुगर लेते रहोगे इन वेरियस फॉर्म्स वी जस्ट डिस्कस्ड, तो क्या होगा? न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसीज आएंगी, आपका सारा विटामिन्स नीचे आएगा, आपके सारे मिनरल्स नीचे आएंगे. तो ऑफ कोर्स फिर आप कैसे उसको पूरा करोगे? तो फूड ऑफ कोर्स रियली मैटर्स. आप इंटरनल सिस्टम आप अच्छा रखोगे तो स्किन केयर भी अच्छे से करोगे, तो दोनों चीजें मिलके एक बेटर आउटकम देंगे.
So I also have one more interesting observation wherein I've heard people coming and say कि उनका स्किन कुछ दिनों के अंदर लेट्स से उनकी सेंसिटिविटी बढ़ गई है या they have issues related to redness, irritations or dullness. So what do you think? Like, do the sugar spike has any relation with respect to the reactivity that they experience in?
यस, सी लोगों को ना ब्लेम गेम खेलने की आदत होती है, जो मेरी भी है. हर ह्यूमन नेचर, एक ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है कि हमने कोई नया स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट ट्राई किया, हमें लगता है हमें इससे इरिटेशन हो रही है, बट नहीं. एज वी जस्ट डिस्कस, फूड मैटर्स. अगर आपका फूड इन्फ्लेमेटरी, प्रो इन्फ्लेमेटरी फूड है तो वो क्या करेगा? वो स्किन को इरिटेटेड रखेगा. बैरियर नहीं होगा स्किन का. बैरियर रिपेयर, आप कितना भी मॉइस्चराइजर लगाओगे वो रिपेयर नहीं हो पाएगा. सो योर यू हैव टू हैव एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी डाइट. टू मेक इट वेरी सिंपल, लॉट्स ऑफ नट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, fresh fruit, fresh cereals, all of these things have to be incorporated in your diet. अगर आप शुगर खाते रहोगे तो आपकी बॉडी में इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ेगा, आपकी हीलिंग स्लो होगी, तो स्किन की हीलिंग भी स्लो होगी. तो कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट चाहे वो नेचुरली हो, जिसमें प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं है, केमिकल्स नहीं है, बिल्कुल नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है, वो भी इरिटेट कर देगा क्योंकि बैरियर नहीं बना हुआ है. सो बैरियर इज मेंटेन्ड बाय गुड फूड एंड हाइड्रेशन. तो आप एक अच्छा मॉइस्चराइजर भी लगाएं और आप अपने थोड़ा सा शुगर फ्री वर्ड नहीं यूज करेंगे, थोड़ा सा लो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स मील्स खाएं. Healthy, I said, what is your health? I drink smoothies and I drink beetroot juice. I got all his tests done, D3, B12, iron, everything was low. I said, beta, you half my age और तेरा सारा level slow है, मेरे तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. That means you're not eating healthy. Smoothie fads है ये सब. Smoothie is not. तुमने ना सब्जी खाई, ना तुमने देसी घी खाया, ना तुमने दाल खाई, ना तुमने कुछ न्यूट्रिशियस न्यूट्रिएंट डेंस फूड खाया क्या? तुमने स्मूदी ली है. I only take flax seeds, I take chia seeds. Okay, this is all good, but the basic is missing. केक के तो ब्राउनी नहीं और आइसिंग लगाया जा रहे हो तो केक क्या बनेगा? brownie. Foundation nutrition is not just these fats to be followed, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. हमारा basic Indian खाना है ना, अगर हम उस पे भी वापस चले जाए ना, तो you're sorted.
So doc, we are discussing about skin barrier repair. So it would be really helpful if you could just, shed some light upon the fact कि skin barrier होता भी क्या है, so that our audience can, understand that concept in a better manner. Also, I would also want to understand कि जो skin barrier है हमारा, क्या वो सिर्फ product लगाने की वजह से डैमेज हो सकता है, I mean गलत प्रोडक्ट लगाने की वजह से डैमेज हो सकता है, या उसके डैमेज के पीछे का रीजन हमारा डाइटरी हैबिट और लेट्स से हमारा गट हेल्थ भी हो सकता है.
सी स्किन का सबसे बड़ा, इट्स द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी एज आई सेड, उसका सबसे बड़ा रोल क्या है? टू प्रिवेंट एंट्री ऑफ एनीथिंग विच इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन द बॉडी. बड़ी सिंपल लैंग्वेज में दैट्स कॉल्ड बैरियर. व्हाट इज बैरियर? टू प्रिवेंट, जैसे जर्म्स ना घुसे, कोई फॉरेन बॉडीज ना घुसे, दैट्स व्हाट. तो जब आप उसकी केयर नहीं करोगे, एक इंटरनल बैरियर और एक्सटर्नल केयर. इंटरनल केयर जो हमने अभी बात की, आपका शुगर लोडेड फूड है, हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स फूड है, खूब शुगर खा रहे हो, आप अंदर से उसको रिपेयर नहीं होने दे रहे हो, और बाहर हुआ आपकी क्रीम्स, हाइड्रेशन, जैसे आप चाहे हाइलुरोनिक एसिड लगाओ, इमोलियंट्स लगाओ, जो भी, मतलब उसको हाइड्रेट करो, और पानी पीते हो. 3 चीजें, पानी तो इंटरनल में ही आ गया, इसका रोल है. तो जब ये दोनों सिंक में नहीं होंगे, इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल, बैरियर खराब हो जाएगा, राइट? तो बैरियर को रिपेयर करने के लिए फूड इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे कि प्रोडक्ट पर लोग क्या है, ये बात समझ नहीं पाते, वो सोचते बस मैं क्रीम लगाऊं, आजकल सेलिंग भी बहुत है बैरियर रिपेयर क्रीम, उन्हें लगता है बस मैं ये लगाऊं और मेरा बैरियर इंटैक्ट हो जाए. बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी डाइट खाएं.
लेट अस फ्लिप द लेंस. अगर कोई रिड्यूस कर रहा है शुगर एक्टिवली 2 से 3 हफ्ते के अंदर, so will they be able to see any change on their skin?
Very good question asked. 2-3 weeks is a very short period. I feel anything takes 90 days, 3 months. जैसे आप जिम जाते हो, एक्सरसाइज करते हो, 2-3 weeks में आपको क्या फर्क दे? इनफैक्ट सोर मसल्स लेके आते हो, राइट? ऐसे ठीक है, डाइटरी चेंजेस करोगे, आपको थोड़ा लाइट फील होगा, स्किन थोड़ी बेटर दिखेगी, बट टू सी रियल चेंजेस उसको 3 months फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपको स्किन में चेंजेस नजर आएंगे.
So जैसा कि आपने बताया कि 2 से 3 हफ्तों में नहीं, पर 2 से 3 महीनों में जरूर हो सकता है. So like if you could just let us know कि क्या होगा, like 2 से 3 हफ्ते महीने के अंदर अगर मैंने अपना शुगर लेवल कम कर दिया है, what are the visible changes that I will be able to see in my skin, or let's say in my skin health?
यस, बिल्कुल. सबसे पहले तो जिसके अगर एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है या उनको ब्लैक हेड्स व्हाइट हेड्स निकलते हैं, तो वो क्लियर होते हुए दिखते हैं सबसे पहले, विच इज अ ह्यूज चेंज. और जो आते भी है तो छोटे मोटे आते हैं, जो मेडिसिन से ठीक हो जाते हैं, बट वो चेंज दिखता है. जो इन्फ्लेमेशन साइंस कैसे होते हैं, पफी फेस दिखता है, डल फेस दिखता है, अंडर आई सर्कल्स दिखते हैं, वो कम होते हुए दिखते हैं. तो ओवरऑल फेस पे ना एक ग्लो आने लगता है अपने आप. सो
I mean that is so empowering to know कि स्किन केयर का जो रीसेट है वो सिर्फ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स में स्विच करने से नहीं होता है, बल्कि अ स्मॉल हैबिट or let's say a small lifestyle change can also lead to bigger results, or let's say it could actually create a bigger difference.
I agree with you totally on this.
So doctor, the entire conversation that we have had till now, I believe inflammation is the one word that has kept popping up, and we've been talking about it like bits and pieces में. So if you could just help us understand कि inflammation होता क्या है, या फिर inflammation का शुगर से कोई direct या let's say actual link है.
See, inflammation is a response of the body. Again, it is required for healing. But जब वो बढ़ता रहेगा, जहाँ साइटोकाइंस रिलीज होते हैं, जो एक मीडिएटर्स होते हैं, पर जब वो क्रॉनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन हो जाएगा, जो हील ही नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो वो धीरे धीरे करके लॉन्ग टर्म चेंजेस करेगा स्किन पे. जैसे जिन लोगों को एक्जिमास होते हैं, सोराइसिस है, एक्ने है, एंड मेनी अदर डर्मेटोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में प्रीमेच्योर एजिंग. आपका कोलेजन बहुत जल्दी ब्रेक डाउन होगा, जल्दी जल्दी आपको एजिंग चेंजेस दिखेंगे. इसीलिए इन्फ्लेमेशन अगर लॉन्ग टर्म क्रॉनिक रहेगा, तो दैट्स नॉट गुड फॉर योर स्किन एंड बॉडी.
तो आई थिंक ये कहना सेफ रहेगा कि शुगर इज नॉट जस्ट रॉटिंग आवर टीथ, but it is also rusting our skin meanwhile.
Absolutely, very well said. A profound thought, I would say. This is a message to be carried today.
And the fun fact that most of us, we don't realize that we are actually doing it on a everyday basis.
I would say don't avoid it completely, but take it in the right quantity so that you maintain your good health and good skin.
So doctor, me being a Gen Z, so I also go and find out the healthier options. Our healthier options, मुझे let's say I think I eat granola bars, or let's say cereals, but I think we also forget to realize that those healthy alternatives also have sugar hidden in it. So, according to you, what could be the smart swaps that we could adapt in our lifestyles so that we are taking a wise and an informed decision while making a dietary habits, or let's say while making a dietary plan?
So it is called Smart Swap. So you have to include seasonal local fruits and vegetables. For example, papaya, even small quantity mango, your pomegranate, pears. There's a huge list of fruits and vegetables which can be inculcated in your diet, or you can make your granola bars at home. There are people who make it at home with jaggery and more sauce thing. There are a lot of people who make it. So you just have to put your mind to it कि आप अंदर पेट में क्या डाल रहे हो, उसमें कितना फाइबर है और हेल्दी शुगर है, रिफाइंड शुगर है. तो एक स्मार्ट स्वैप कर सकते हो कि जहाँ आप हर वक्त एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक ना उठा के नींबू पानी पी लो, कोकोनट वाटर पी लो. These things can be done to add to the health.
So basically, you're saying smart swaps are everything.
Absolutely.
So now we are in my favorite segment of the podcast, Fact or Cap. So basically, I'll be asking you some questions and you tell me whether it's a fact or cap. So shall we begin?
Yes, I'm excited. Go on.
High sugar diet can worsen acne. Fact or cap?
Fact.
You can fix dull skin with just a new cream. Fact or cap?
Cap.
Reducing sugar can improve dark circles. Fact or cap?
Fact.
Gut health has no impact on how your skin behaves. Fact or cap?
Cap.
Exfoliation is more important than what you eat. Fact or cap?
Cap.
Okay, so that was such a reality check. So what I have understood, from this entire small round is simple, that your skin is not confused, but your habits are. So what I believe is, like, it's not about finding the next trending ingredient, or let's just say running behind that shortcut serums. It's actually basically understanding what your internal health is. And let's say if your internal health is out of sync, which could especially be related to sugar. And in that case, I believe no amount of topical product is actually going to, deliver any kind of results to you.
I totally agree with you. It's very easy to say that this didn't work for me. Yes, a good skincare is required, thoughtfully, scientifically designed skincare, but it really matters what you eat. So if you handle yourself well, where you know what you put in your system, don't treat it like a dustbin. When you know what you put in your system, so even your skincare will show much better results.
So whether it's about switching your sugar-loaded breakfast to that one bowl of fruit, or let's just say you're starting to learn to how to read the labels, I believe the steps are smaller but meaningful. Similarly, we at Clapping also believe if we can, make that one step, or let's say the one of those steps towards cleaner, safer, through our microplastic-free products, I believe that's a win for us.
I think it's a good take-home message that you look at what brands you're using, what kind of formulation they're doing, how eco-friendly or environment-friendly are they, and how good you're taking care of your gut health.
Yeah. So, Doctor, we've been talking about our products. So, recently, we have launched our Ideal Bright sunscreen, which has 5% niacinamide. It would be really great if you could just try it and let us know your opinions.
What I really like about this product is its microplastic free formula, which is very interesting concept because microplastic is damaging the skin. It causes irritation. It can disrupt the barrier, and also it causes damage to the environment. So a product which is environment friendly, eco friendly and skin friendly, I think is good. And additional advantages which I see, it has PA factor 4 and SPF 50. A lot of times people think higher the SPF, sticky the sunscreen would become. It's not like that. When there's no white cast, it's not so sticky. It's easy to use and easy to remember that I have to use a sunscreen. My take-home message is sunscreen is very important. The word should be photo screen. It's not just the sunscreen. We all are exposed to a lot of light, which is not just UV rays, but also the blue light, which is coming from our gadgets. And we're exposed to so much blue light that after a few hours, it starts damaging your skin. So believe in prevention is better than cure. So if you follow a simple step of protecting your skin because of any light, you really go a long way. So thank you so much for introducing me to a sunscreen which is microplastic free. We all have a habit of trying any new product on our hands. So let's try how this sunscreen feels. Yeah, it's nice. There's no white cast and doesn't have that kind of weird fragrance which can cause irritation. I think, see the difference? It's quite nice. It's not only a sunscreen but also helping me moisturize my skin. So this is La Pink sunscreen, which is an ideal bright sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA factors really in place, microplastic free, and it has niacinamide. Niacinamide is a very good molecule. It helps in hydration. It's anti-inflammatory in nature. So a sunscreen which is giving me dual benefits of a hydration plus protection. I think it's a product to go for.
So that brings us to the end of the episode of our Inside Your Skin podcast. Thank you so much, Dr. Meghna, for coming here, for being so on it, for being so helpful, and, actually shedding so much light upon skincare, gut health, sugar spikes. And I am really sure anyone watching here would actually make them compelled to rethink on their sugar intakes, the way they see their skincare and the way they see their dietary habits.
Thank you for having me over. Vaishnavi, you were a very interesting host. I loved the conversations, the way they were flowing. And there's a lot of take-home message from our chit-chat that we had, ranging from skincare products, importance of sunscreen, gut health, sugar, and a good lifestyle. Thank you for having me over. Thank you and all the best to your brand.
So if you found this episode helpful, do not forget to share it with someone who actually needs to hear this, and do not forget to subscribe to La Pink's YouTube channel for more skin science that actually makes sense. And until next time, eat clean, think clear, and stay kind to your skin.